सो दोस्तों दिन की शुरुआत हो गई है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ज़ांसे शांस. Yesterday was a good sleep night. Pretty cold but nice. Outside it's a bit cloudy today. There was a forecast for the snow, but the snow didn't happen. But the weather is pretty cold. Around 1 degree. The morning in Amsterdam looks pretty beautiful. You see, that's the city center and that's Amsterdam Central. जहाँ मैं अब जा रहा हूँ to catch a train for Zaanse Schans. I was a bit skeptical earlier whether I should come or I should not go because I was very sleepy. But then मैंने कहा यार भाई वीकेंड के लिए आए हैं तो थोड़ा सा नींद कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करते हैं एंड ट्राई टू कवर एज मच एज पॉसिबल. You can see the station. This is the first time I'm traveling to domestic train in Amsterdam. 9:13 is the train for Zaanse Schans. Very nice cold morning. You can see the double-decker trains. Rail network is fantastic in Europe.
Deze zegt medisch moet zeker schobben en gewoon de hele dag. Zo trekt van school die weer.
तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हो I have now reached Zaanse Schans and I'm going to Old Mills area. Amsterdam mostly लोग party plays, night life, शोर शराबा इस पॉइंट से जानते हैं but there is another side to it, a Dutch countryside which is quite serene and calm. I've heard lot about Zaanse Schans जहाँ पे इन लोगों ने अभी भी ट्रेडिशनल विंड मिल्स को प्रिजर्व किया है and they still harness it to to get the wheat, to get the flour out of wheat. This is the first windmill I could see from distance. Just going to the windmills area. From what I heard, they say the village is quite picturesque. You can see this windmill. Looks really good and amazing to see they have still preserved it after so many years. Some of these windmills have entry where they literally show, how you get flour out of wheat, how they harness it. ये आप देख सकते हैं. This is Zaanse village, Zaanse river, and it's very beautiful. That's the traditional side of Dutch countryside. You can see from distance a lot of these windmills. I'll come closer and I'll show you a better view. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful to see that they have preserved their village countrysides so nicely and neatly. It's quite early, not early, but still it's I think 9:30. So I don't think the windmills would have opened, but let's see. wooden houses हैं, very symmetrical and colorful. Right by the river Zanj, and lot of windmills here. I think it's very good for any country to preserve their traditions, and it's so good to see. It's so neat and clean that a lot of tourists come here. So I was telling you earlier, काफ़ी लोगों को लगता है कि Amsterdam is only for loud music, parties, nightlife, but this is another side of Amsterdam, which is very peaceful, beautiful, and very well preserved, I would say. Saturday morning, I think the crowd will start coming in later today. मैंने 2 hours का प्लान किया है. So I have my return ticket at 11:30. So I will try to visit this beautiful village. Beautiful houses. This one, you see, all these wooden houses. Some of them converted into the museums. Very picturesque village. Very well preserved Dutch cultural heritage. सूर्यदेव के दर्शन होते हुए धीरे धीरे. It's getting sunny, so that's nice. Wow. A lot of these things, of course, been revamped over the years, but lot of history talks about sometime in 18th or 19th century how things used to work, especially around windmills, and how cheese industry used to work. So there have been few cheese making workshops also being placed here. You see, this is a village. This is not a big city. This is a village. How peaceful, calm, and neat and clean it is. A lot of visitors attracted to this. I love this small bridge. I don't know if it's a private property, so I will refrain from going on the other side, but I'll show you this bridge. Wow. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि किसी भी कंट्री को अगर फ्लरिश करना है और लॉट ऑफ टूरिस्ट को अट्रैक्ट करना है तो उसे अपने ट्रेडिशंस को बहुत अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करना चाहिए ग्लोबली. नाइस एंड क्लीन रखना चाहिए एंड कीप टूरिस्ट फ्री टू डू and explore without the hustle and bustle of, people coming to them and asking for, buying something or other. You could see that these are called as clogs, wooden shoes. I read somewhere that there have been these clog workshops as well. I'll show you more as we go along. That's Netherlands flag. And now I'm heading towards windmill area. For a second I thought it's a real duck, but no, it's not. It's a, oh no, it's a real duck. Oh, so nice. Very beautiful. Oh, it was completely standstill, and for a second I thought it's a monument sort of thing. Wow. The nature at its best. This you see. And every windmill had its name. Some of these windmills have a tour planned, and they actually show you, how things still work. Like the one ahead, सामने देख सकते हो. The blades are moving, and it actually is still in working. मैं बता रहा था कि किसी भी देश को टूरिस्ट कैसे अट्रैक्ट करता है, जब आप उसकी विरासत को, उसके ट्रेडिशन को, उसके कल्चर को बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से वर्ल्ड को प्रेजेंट करते हैं इन अ नाइस वे, एंड ऑल्सो गिव फ्रीडम फॉर टूरिस्ट टू अलाउ देम टू explore the things at their ease. कुछ चीज़ें मैं हमेशा से इस चीज़ का पक्षधार रहा हूँ कि जब जिससे कोई चीज़ अच्छी हो तो हमें सीखना चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है इंडिया के पास भी बहुत we have so many beautiful places, beautiful weather, everything is nice. I think what we need to do is to make things more neat, clean, and more tourist friendly. क्योंकि हमारे पास deserts हैं, mountains हैं, rivers हैं. It's very beautiful. Our spiritual heritage, they are also nice. The only thing is we need to start respecting tourists more and create a culture which is more tourist friendly. When I say give tourists a freedom to explore what they want, मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि मैं अभी तक यहाँ आए हुए मुझे काफ़ी देर हो गई. इनफैक्ट कल मैं सिटी सेंटर में भी था. आई हैव नॉट सीन इवन अ सिंगल पर्सन roaming around me or anyone else to buy the things, to purchase the ticket, taxi people. There have been a system, proper system, and people are following that. Civic sense, for example, very nice, giving people a space, not rush for everything. So I think some of these things, I think we need to stop as a country. We are a developing country and we have a lot of potential. And I know one day we can do it, but slowly and gradually, I think we need to work more on our civic sense. So India could become a great tourist hub. We can say, हमारे यहाँ टूरिस्ट आता है, ऐसा नहीं है, काफ़ी टूरिस्ट आता है, लेकिन फिर भी हम अगर इन छोटी कंट्री से कंपेयर करें, which is very small, we are like 7th largest by area. Still, I don't think we have that much of tourists. We could attract a lot of tourists, that's for sure, because we have variety of things. And the way we have been revamping our train network, flight network, which is very nice. But I think we need to now focus more on our civic sense. Wow. So beautiful. The windmills from, I can see 1975. I can see 1841 as well. So maybe sometime 19th century. Life is so good if you don't complicate it. So make every moment joyful, colorful as much as possible. The problems will always be there. But try to make most of it. And that's what I'm doing right now with this beautiful place. Wow. Wow. It's beautiful countrysides. You could see a lot of sheep, birds, ducks. The sun has also started coming. Beautiful morning. Water is still frozen. You could see. It's very cold out here. But nice. वही मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ दोस्तों, जितना एक्सप्लोर कर सको करो. There's one life. Enjoy wherever possible. You don't need to, every time think of going big. Sometimes अगर हम हमारी vicinity में भी देखें, there have been a lot of things that, could give us happiness and beautiful. But जितना possible हो हम हमारे neighborhood, vicinity को clean रखें. I've seen people here, when they see you, they give you a smile. But these are some good things. Make people more welcoming. And see, the water is so nice and clean. Wow. Nature at its best. चलिए अब मैं वापसी की तरफ जाता हूँ जहाँ से एंट्रेंस किया. आई थिंक वहाँ पे म्यूजियम भी है, देखते हैं कि वो ओपन हुआ है कि नहीं. बट काफ़ी अच्छा लगा है क्योंकि जब मैं आया था इट वॉज फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड, बट नाउ सन is on its peak now, I would say. So very nice, feeling quite nice now. Maybe a time for a coffee and time to take out my cap as well. आप देख सकते हो ये वुडन हाउस है. I think it's converted into a small restaurant. I could see a board here. Maybe it's hot chocolate. It's still not 10 yet. But Suryadev के दर्शन अब हो गए हैं and it's very nice. It's getting a bit sunny. Nice. एक मूवी में डायलॉग था कि आप हर चीज़ हर वक्त कवर नहीं कर सकते. जहाँ हो आप उस मोमेंट को, उस वक्त को एंजॉय कीजिए. And that's what I'm doing right now in a beautiful Dutch countryside. आपने बहुत वीडियोस देखी होंगी एम्स्टर्डम सिटी की with lot of hustle bustle, loud music, late night parties. But this is another side to it. There's a little bit as well. रात को snowfall prediction था, snow तो नहीं हुई, but yeah, it's pretty cold. Right now also I think it's 2 degrees. I think that's a cafe. It's not opened yet. but inside the beautiful windmill. I think time to head back home. I've got few things. Should always try the local things. So I've got gingerbread, a tulip, chocolate mix. I'm sure Ritu is gonna love it. This is from Manya. The clock shape, pencil and sharpener. The small memento of this place. It's good to, wherever you go, maybe a small thing, but nice to take, local thing to support local business. ये जाते में भी बर्ड मैंने आपको दिखाई थी, ये अभी भी यहीं पे ही है.
Yeah.
Man, just saying.
So beautiful. For a moment I got confused whether it's a monument or it's an actual bird. It is an actual bird. Time to head back to railway station. My train is at 11:30 now, so just rushing towards the station. But it was a good time for a couple of hours to see the other side of the Amsterdam, a countryside. So if you ever come to Amsterdam, I would definitely recommend to visit Zaanse Schans. If you love countryside, peaceful, serene, picturesque experience, and especially a lot of history behind this, especially around the windmills, how they have preserved it since 18th, 19th century, and also a lot of these cheese making workshops also, and how cheese is being made. Cheese is very famous, so you should definitely try and take cheese. There have been a lot of clog workshop, which is like a wooden shoes. So you could see a lot of mementos, cheese, chocolates in the form of clog. Unfortunately, मैं वहाँ से चीज़ नहीं ले जा पाया. Apparently, UK has imposed ban on import of or carrying any dairy products from Europe due to some disease going on. So it's a shame I couldn't eat the cheese from Zaanse Schans, which is quite famous. I came here in September as well, so even the restriction was on that time, and this is still on. I think they said it's a temporary basis, but it's already on for over 6-7 months now. But anyways, I've got few other things, so quite happy with that.